AJ here, Product Manager at VergeAg. I want to walk you through a problem that we've noticed with current comparison systems used in traditional agriculture sales. These systems are overly generalized and not representative of actual field operations. First, my question is, does this scenario look familiar? 5,143 acre farm comparing a 16-row high-speed planter. If we look at the numbers, this is a typical farm in North America. Let's keep exploring this scenario. 40-foot implement width, traveling at about 9 miles per hour. Single field, one track, in a straight line for 1,061 miles. Productivity is 44 acres per hour though. Pretty easy calculation, right? The problem is, this is based off a calculation known as theoretical field capacity. Let me emphasize this a little bit more. Theoretical. Do you have fields that are exactly 40 feet wide and perfectly straight for more than 1,000 miles? Let's look at a more realistic scenario we can actually model in Launchpad. This is a farm, 10,033 acres. This is what most spreadsheets assume with their models. A square, representing the total area of your farm. So let's go ahead and make a path plan for this and see what happens. That's a lot of tracks. Kind of hard to interpret what's going on here. However, if we zoom in real close, we can see that we have a plan to accomplish this field. There are turns, some coverage, and we can make some assumptions based on this. Let me ask you this question a second time. Do any of your farms look like this? The realistic answer to this question is no. Your farm is complex. Some fields are square, some boundaries have curvy edges, and some are big and some are small. In reality, your farm is probably similar to something like this. 23 fields, 10,033 acres, a mix of square boundaries, some complex edges, some holes, maybe some waterways, trees, fence lines, and power poles. So why would you rely on math that assumes your fields are a straight line, or even just a giant square? Let me show you how Equipment Explorer models your operations on your fields. Leveraging the power of Path Planner, Equipment Explorer calculates the total results of all your plans for all your fields. These results are based around what equipment can accomplish for you or your client. Let's take a look at a harvester scenario for 3 different models. Results are generated within seconds, not hours, and allow you to have more meaningful conversations with your clients. Using Equipment Explorer, you can make spreadsheets a thing of the past. Visit vergeag.com/equipment-explorer to learn more.